Okay, so I've had a question, and that is, how do I stay motivated while I'm decluttering? So my theory is that you want to try and do it fast and clear as much as you can, so that will increase your motivation. However, you want to set some clear intentions and clear goals and imagine where you want to get to and see yourself in the space once it's clear, once you've transformed it. That will motivate you. So I always recommend using goals, setting clear goals so that you know exactly where you're headed. So thank you very much for the question. I hope that helps. Be realistic. Be realistic about the time that you've got, the space that you've got, the mobility that you've got, whatever challenges that you've got. Be realistic. So set goals, have a deadline for your goals. And whatever you do, it's really, really critical that you do treat yourself with kindness and compassion. It's my number one tip for decluttering: kindness and compassion.